right, are we ready? All right, we'll put it back on record. Yes, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lisa Lindsay on behalf of the people of the state of Michigan.
Hey, good morning, John. We're talking for the people.
Ronald Ambrose, on behalf of Mr. Bashara.
I believe it is in the interest of justice for us to move on to determine whether or not Mr. Gintz is going to testify in this particular matter. The court has resolved all of the outstanding issues in this particular matter, and we need to deal with that. Mr. Gintz does have a lawyer, Mr. Howard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And he has an assistant that's with him today also. Very good. We need to bring Mr. Gintz out. And the court is going to indicate when Mr. Gintz comes in, I want you to approach the podium. Okay. He's on the bench, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Your Honor, did you say you wanted us at the bench?
Yes, to approach Ms. Howard.
Why though? Why?
It's like old times.
Isn't it? In the back. Ready? Can we check to see what's going on? See, do we need some more assistance? Radio, I want to see what it is. I don't know, can attorneys approach?
Mr. Holler just walked out.
Well, I don't need it. Okay.
I'll get it.
No, I'm good.
No, I'm good.
Mr. Holler to go back and talk to your client with this assistant. Madam Attorney.
To be.
Thank you. All right. So I'm on ready to talk to him. Hold on. How are you today?
All right.
Okay, very good. Mr. Howard?
John J. Holler, appearing on behalf of witness Joseph Gens, who's standing to my immediate right, Your Honor.
You've had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Gens regarding the affidavit that he's made.
I have. In fact, I visited him personally in the Bellamy Creek State Penitentiary on February 27th. I've talked to him 3 times today. I had hoped, I think there was a writ to have him walk down on Friday. That wasn't done. I had wanted to sit down and just personally spend some time with him in the Wayne County Jail on Saturday or Sunday. We couldn't do that, so I've spoken with him 3 separate times today. Mr. Gens, as you know, there's an affidavit that I believe to be in the public domain. He wishes to testify and be cross-examined about how he was treated and how his testimony was shaped towards Mr. Bashara, to implicate Mr. Bashara, and how he was threatened and coaxed in the Grosse Pointe Park Police Station, and perhaps what could be characterized as a continuation of that same type of influence in the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. He will not testify regarding the death of Jan Bashara.
Okay.
That's where he sits, if you want me to advise the court.
So he will not, so contrary to what the affidavit alleges, that he had gone to the location while believing that Mr. Bashara was not there and rifled through the garage, and then he killed Ms. Bashara. He's not going to he's not testifying to any of that. But Mr. Bashara is not there, other than the fact that they, being the Grosse Pointe police, mistreated him or promised him something. That's the extent of his testimony?
And encouraged and coerced him to implicate Mr. Bashara. That would be the essence of his testimony.
And that's all he will testify to?
That's
So,
my understanding.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gens?
Yes, ma'am.
The case law says you can't take the fifth on some, you can't take the fifth on some aspects
Wide open.
and not take the fifth on
If you're
others.
going to testify, you're going to testify to everything that you indicated in that affidavit. You know that the affidavit was your statement under oath. And what you can't do, sir, is choose to say, I'm going to talk about some things, but I'm not going to talk about other things. You open the door by you making that affidavit. Now, we've had testimony as to your urging to do that. Now, you can't do that, so you can't testify. Now, what do you want to do? You want that we can break for lunch? I understand that you did not have an opportunity to discuss this in detail with your lawyer, but you as a witness can't select to do that. Would you like for me to give you a recess so you can make a determination? It's all or nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I'll see everybody back at 1 o'clock. That concludes this matter. Thank you.